Hey guys, what's going on? This video is on my Finish Advanced Gel in Lemon Scent, and this is for using in the dishwasher. So it's a dishwasher detergent. It has the #1 deep cleaning power, definitely gets your dishes really clean. I have 2 loads being cleaned in the dishwasher right now as we speak. So it bursts into action to scrub away the toughest food residues like baked on lasagna and dried on oatmeal. So you could definitely like stick pans in here, pots that are dirty, because it gives you like a powerful cleaner. It can remove even the toughest stains and gently scrub your dishes and glasses sparkling clean. So you could only use this in the dishwasher. You can't use it for like hand washing your dishes, but this is what it looks like. It's like a light blue gel, just to show you guys. And it's also, like I said, lemon scent, so it doesn't have like a crazy, odor or anything like that. It just smells fresh, because you don't want your dishes like smelling very strong or anything like that. And it's very easy to use. So I'll open my dishwasher, and there's like a little spout where I could pour in the dishwasher solution. So I put a little of this in the pre-rinse, and then a little of this in the section where you just put the dishwashing detergent. And it works really well. So this is one of my favorites. Finish, I love this brand. It works good. It leaves your dishes clean, and I don't have to clean my dishes before I stick them in the dishwasher, which is my favorite part.